Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw numbers and alphabets. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, green color, blue color, yellow color, brown color, and black color. Kids, now you draw one and use red color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now you draw 10 and use green color. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so now you draw alphabets. And first we draw A and use blue color. A. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel soon. Bye bye.